This is a new channel and I welcome you to this channel. On this channel, we'll be talking about how to make money online. And if you've been wondering or you've been struggling with making money online, please do well by subscribing to this channel, because in this channel, every week we'll be dropping new tips on how to make money online. For today, I'll be putting you through the two ways to make money online, which is the e-commerce way and the freelancing way. Please do well to follow us on other social media platforms. On the next chapter, I'll be putting you through the two ways. We'll be diving deeper into the two ways of making money online. Thank you. Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome and thank you for staying tuned. Just like I told you earlier, we'll be diving deeper into ways of making money online. So the number one way is to sell on some other, e-commerce websites such as Jumia, Gigi, Konga. Now, these Jumia, Gigi, Konga are the number one leading e-commerce platforms in Nigeria, where you can actually sell and make a lot of money. Selling on Jumia requires no payment. You only need to register, and after the registration, you are going to upload your product, which in turn you also will make sale. And once you have an order, you take it to their hub where you are going to be shipping the item. Now, there are ways to do it, which I'll be explaining in another detailed tutorial about selling on Jumia. Now, talking about Konga, just like Jumia, you have to register, but they have packages on how to sell on their platform, which you have to know about. And they have silver package, they have gold package, they have the platinum or the diamond package. So if you know about these packages, you subscribe to one. It's a monthly package which you have to subscribe to. Once you subscribe to one, then you start selling on their platform. Once you have an order, you take your product to their hub where it will be shipped. On another video separately, I'll be giving you a full detailed information on how to sell on Konga. And now talking about Gigi. Gigi is a platform where you can sell virtually anything. Even what they don't sell on Jumia, they sell it on Gigi. Things like cars, real estate, they are not sold on Jumia and Konga, but they are sold on Gigi. So that's what makes Gigi different. Another thing that makes Gigi different is that whenever someone is interested in your product, the person will call you directly. But on Jumia and Konga, the person will only place an order, add to cart, and the normal procedure of e-commerce. So that's Gigi for you. Now, if you are now thinking about you want to go outside of this whole way of selling online, and you just want to be your own boss, then you can go as far as building your own e-commerce website. You can go as far as building your own e-commerce website, and you can also go as far as running your own social media advert. You can run Facebook advert, Instagram advert, Google advert, and so on and so forth. So that's just about e-commerce. So on the next, wow, guys, thank you for staying tuned to the end. So in this chapter, I'll be talking about freelancing. What is freelancing? Freelancing is a procedure whereby you get someone sick for your service, and you don't even have to meet the person physically before doing the service. And maybe till you deliver the entire job, you don't have to meet the person physically. So what are the examples of freelancing? We have graphics design, video making, maybe like video editing, photo editing, website design. We also have many other things. As far as it's anything that you can do online, virtual assistant, typing, data entry, and all that. So those are ways of freelancing. Now you might be wondering, okay, now if I learn all these things, how do I make money out of it? There are many ways you can make money out of it. You can actually start posting about them online, or you can sign up for freelancing websites such as Fiverr, Fiverr. There's this other one they call freelance.com. There's another one we know as there are so many. You can just search it on Google, type top freelancing website, and you see many. These people pay in dollar, and this is a very beautiful way to make money online. Now there are so many other ways to you can publicize your freelancing skill by whatever you have done, post it online, post it on your social media handles, let people know what you do, talk about it, appreciate your existing clients as they give you job, appreciate them, thank them, publicize what they do, and you see that in turn they will publicize what you do too. Also, don't forget to seek for reviews from your clients, because by the time you seek for review and they give you their sincere review, it helps you to build yourself up, it helps you to develop your portfolios, and also it helps you to have more confidence in what you do. So there are many other ways. Freelancing is very sweet. It's very sweet. I do freelancing and I also do e-commerce. So that's why I'm able to give you a detailed information about it on this. They said freelancers don't sleep, e-commerce people don't sleep. That's because we work every day, we work day and night, and we make a lot of money out of it. As you can see, I do this from the comfort of my home, and that's what e-commerce and freelancers do. We do it at our own time, whenever we are ready. Nobody to boss us around, nobody to tell you what to do, no government to collect tax from you. That's how beautiful it is. So let's work on it.